Every task that does not require a lot of thinking, brainstorming, should be handled by AI. That is the agenda behind this AI. There's something they call AI ethics. That's in AI ethics, it is clearly defined that the reason why AI is established is to enable people to partner with AI so that they can leverage the strength of AI while they can also maximize their own strength. But a lot of people are still very resistant about the adoption of AI, and I think somebody that I read is the news recently. He's an actor in the US, George Lucas. He mentioned that, and he's an 82-year-old man. He mentioned that AI is like driving a car, but when you are not using AI, it's like you are riding a horse. That's the way he mentioned it. When you are using AI, it's like you are driving a car, but when you are not using AI, it's like you are riding a horse. So that just gives the definition of how AI helps free up our tables. So today we are going to be looking at what AI tax is, how it's already affecting us. We are going to actually calculate the numbers, the time, hours that is being wasted without the use of AI. And then we also now look at the path forward on how we can effectively begin to make use of AI for our own advantage.